Who won the British Academy Book Prize 2025 for his book The Burning Earth? Answer is Sunil Amrit. Which country has topped the medal tally at the 4th South Asian Senior Athletics Championship 2025 held in Ranchi? Answer is India. What is the name of the tri-services military exercise conducted in India's western frontier in October 2025? Answer is Trishul 2025. Which country has officially become the world's first cashless country? Answer is Sweden. Which ministry has launched the beta version of Adivani, India's first AI powered translator for tribal languages? Answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Where was the 21st edition of India US Joint Military Exercise Yuddh Abhyas 2025 held? Answer is Alaska. Which train became India's fastest train in September 2025? Answer is Namo Bharat. Who has been appointed as the new secretary to Vice President CP Radhakrishnan? Answer is Amit Khare. What is the name of India's first privately developed commercial orbital rocket unveiled by PM Modi in November 2025? Answer is Vikram 1. Which city has been designated as India's first integrated financial city? Answer is Amravati. Which Indian state has enacted legislation to grant land ownership to tea garden workers? Answer is Assam. Which city is said to commission India's largest municipal solid waste to compressed biogas plant? Answer is Nagpur. Who has been honored with the Indian of the Year 2025 award in the business category? Answer is Baba Kalyani. Which Indian aircraft carrier represented India at the International Fleet Review 2025 in Colombo? Answer is INS Vikrant and INS Udaygiri. Who won the 2025 Under 19 Women's T20 World Cup? Answer is India. Runner up was South Africa and the host country was Malaysia. Which film won the Golden Peacock Award for Best Film at the 56th International Film Festival of India 2025? Answer is Skin of Youth. What is India's rank in the Asia Power Index 2025? Answer is third. Published by Lowy Institute Australia and United States got the first rank. Where was the 25th Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit 2025 held? Answer is Tianjin, China. Which team won the 41st All India Governors Gold Cup 2025? Answer is Rajasthan United Football Club. Runner-up was Services Football Club. Who is the author of the book Mother Mary Comes to Me? Answer is Arundhati Roy. The 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Indira 2025 conducted between India and which country? Answer is Russia. Which Indian non-profit organization won the Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Answer is Educate Girls. Which country became the 90th member of International Union for Conservation of Nature? Answer is Tuvalu. 89th member was Armenia. What major diplomatic agreement did India suspend following the Pahalgam terror attack? Answer is Indus Water Treaty. Who has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2025 for her short story collection Heart Lamp? Answer is Banu Mushtaq. Which state has topped the Panchayat Devolution Index 2025? Answer is Karnataka. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Answer is 23rd. Who chaired the committee that drafted the National Cooperative Policy 2025? Answer is Suresh Prabhu. What was the theme of the World Book Fair 2025 held in New Delhi? Answer is Republic @75. Which state became India's first fully digitally literate state? Answer is Kerala. Where was India's first gold ATM inaugurated? Answer is Hyderabad. Which state became the first to grant agriculture status to livestock and poultry farming? Answer is Maharashtra. Which state became the first to implement semiconductor policy in India? Answer is Gujarat. Who has been awarded the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Who has been elected as Canada's new Prime Minister? Answer is Mark Carney. The 12th edition of the India-Kyrgyzstan Joint Special Forces Exercise Khanjar 12 was held in which country? Answer is Kyrgyzstan. What is the official mascot of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Answer is Gaj Simha. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Answer is Rajiv Gaba. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Answer is Sanjay Malhotra. Who took oath as the new Chief Minister of New Delhi in 2025? Answer is Rekha Gupta. Who won the Best Director Award at the IFA Awards 2025? Answer is Kiran Rao. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Answer is Rajesh Nirwan. Who was honored with the Fiji's highest award, the Companion of the Order of Fiji, in April 2025? Answer is Madhusudan Sai. Where was the fourth No Money for Terror conference held? Answer is Munich, Germany. What is the new name of Zomato after its corporate rebranding? Answer is Eternal. Which state has become the first to establish a Senior Citizens Commission? Answer is Kerala. Which two companies were granted Navratna PSU status by the Indian government on 4th March 2025? Answer is IRCTC and IRFC. What is the new name of Fort William? Answer is Vijay Durg. What is the new name of Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra? Answer is Ahilyanagar. Which Indian airport was awarded the Platinum Honor in the ACI Green Airports Recognition 2025? Answer is Hubli Airport. Which Indian university is ranked 38th in the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2025? Answer is Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. Which state government recently launched the Subhadra Yojana scheme? Answer is Odisha. Who won the men's singles title at US Open 2025 by defeating Yannick Sinner? Answer is Carlos Alcaraz. When is India's first multi-sensor Earth observation satellite scheduled to be launched? Answer is 2026. In August 2025, which tiger reserve became the second largest tiger reserve in India? Answer is Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Who set a new world record in the F-42 Javelin category in May 2025? Answer is Mahendra Gurjar. Who became the first female Prime Minister of Nepal in 2025? Answer is Sushila Karki. Where was the ASEAN Summit 2025 held? Answer is Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. What is India's rank in the Gender Gap Index 2025 among 148 countries? Answer is 131. Which country hosted the 51st G7 Summit in June 2025? Answer is Canada. Where was the 5th edition of Bilateral Maritime Exercise Samudra Shakti 2025 held? Answer is Vishakhapatnam, and it is the India-Indonesia Bilateral Maritime Exercise. Who was crowned Mrs. Universe 2025? Answer is Sherry Singh, and she became the first Indian to win the Mrs. Universe title. So remember this. Which is the 94th Ramsar site of India? Answer is Gogabil Lake, located in Bihar. Who became India's 91st chess grandmaster? Answer is Rahul VS. 90th grandmaster is Ilam Parthi AR. 89th is Rohit Krishna. 88th is Divya Deshmukh. Who was crowned Miss World 2025? Answer is Suchata Chwangsri. Which team won the 134th edition of Durand Cup in 2025? Answer is Northeast United Football Club. Runner-up was Diamond Harbour. Which state was the host of the 38th National Games 2025? Answer is Uttarakhand. The motto was Sankalp Se Shikhar Tak. Who was honored with the first Global MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace? Answer is Professor Ademola A. Edenle. Who won the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Answer is India. It is the 9th edition and runner-up was New Zealand. Which district has been officially declared as India's first child marriage-free district in October 2025? Answer is Balod, Chhattisgarh. Which Indian institute has inaugurated Asia's largest shallow wave basin research facility? Answer is IIT Madras. Which country won the Kabaddi World Cup 2025 by defeating England? Answer is India. The host country was England. Who inaugurated the world's tallest railway arch bridge, Chenab Rail Bridge, in June 2025? Answer is PM Narendra Modi. Who has been honored with the Pin Translates Award 2025? Answer is Gitanjali Shri. Where was the Agri Drone Indigenization Facility established? Answer is Chennai. Which university launched the Jai Hind scheme? Answer is Delhi University. What was the name of the operation launched by India in response to the Pahalgam terror attack? Answer is Operation Sindoor. Which national park was declared as the 58th Tiger Reserve in India? Answer is Madhav National Park, located in Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh. Where was the G20 Summit 2025 held? Answer is Johannesburg, South Africa. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Answer is 151. Who won the ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025? Answer is India. Runner-up was South Africa. Who took oath as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Answer is Justice Surya Kant. Who became the first woman Law Secretary of India? Answer is Anju Rathi Rana. Which site became India's 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer is Maratha Military Landscapes of India. Who won the Best Director Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Answer is Sudipto Sen for Kerala Story. Who has been honored with the Dronachari Award in 2025? Answer is Dipali Deshpande, Shooting, and Armando A. Colaco, Football. Which two nuclear-capable ballistic missiles were successfully test-fired by India on 17th July 2025? Answer is Prithvi 2 and Agni 1. Which city hosted the 17th BRICS Summit in July 2025? Answer is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. What is the theme of the National Sports Day 2025 observed every year on 29th August? Answer is एक घंटा खेल के मैदान में. Who won the women's singles at US Open 2025? Answer is Arina Sabalenka. Who has been awarded the 58th Gyanpith Award? Answer is Gulzar and Guru Rambhadrachari. Where was India-Singapore Joint Military Exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 held? Answer is Jodhpur, Rajasthan. What was the theme of the 9th Global Technology Summit 2025? Answer is Sambhavna. And this summit held in New Delhi. Who took charge as the new secretary of RAW? Answer is Parag Jain. Who has been appointed as the 11th chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Answer is Tuhin Kant Pandey. Who took oath as the 15th Vice President of India in 2025? Answer is C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal? Answer is Sanjay Singhal. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Answer is Jayashree Venkatesan. Where was the Bharat Calling Conference 2025 held? Answer is Mumbai. What is the name of the bilateral maritime exercise between India and Singapore held in July 2025? Answer is Simbex. Which city has been declared as the leopard capital of India in 2025? Answer is Bengaluru. Who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Answer is Manika Vishwakarma. Who won the Aditya Birla Memorial Polo Cup 2025 held in New Delhi? Answer is Rajnigandha Achievers. Who won the Women's Premier League 2025? Answer is Mumbai Indians. What was the theme of India's 76th Republic Day Parade in 2025? Answer is Swarnim Bharat Virasat aur Vikas. Where has India established its first zoo-based biobank for wildlife conservation? Answer is Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, Darjeeling. In which country was the Asian Athletics Championship held in 2025? Answer is South Korea. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? Answer is 118th. Who was awarded the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Answer is Smriti Mandhana. Which country was selected as the host for the 2030 Winter Olympics and Paralympic Games? Answer is France. What is the new name of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's flagship jet training aircraft, Hindustan Jet Trainer HJT-36? Answer is Yashash. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25 for the 5th time? Answer is Karnataka. Where was the Mahakumbh Mela held in 2025? Answer is Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. What is India's rank in Knight Frank's The Wealth Report 2025? Answer is 4th. Where was the inaugural Rihanna Middle East Conference held in January 2025? Answer is Abu Dhabi. Where was the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 held? Answer is Leh Ladakh and Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. Where was the Nagoba Jatara Tribal Festival 2025 celebrated? Answer is Telangana. Who became the first Indian lawyer to receive the Medal of Honor from the World Jurist Association? Answer is Bhuvan Ribhu. Where was India's first World Peace Center inaugurated? Answer is Gurugram. Which state government inaugurated the Shahid Madho Singh Hath Kharcha scheme? Answer is Odisha. Where was India's first Writers' Village inaugurated? Answer is Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Which foreign civilian honor was conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi by the President of Sri Lanka? Answer is Mitra Vibhushan. Who was honored with the Icon of Excellence Award at the 14th edition of FILA 2025? Answer is Jay Shah. Where was India's first open-air art wall museum inaugurated? Answer is Mausam Bhavan, New Delhi. Who won the Memory League World Championship 2025? Answer is Vishwa Rajakumar. Who translated Banu Mushtaq short story collection Heart Lamp from Kannada into English? Answer is Deepa Bhasti. In which state of India is Kharchi Puja celebrated? Answer is Tripura. Which ministry has launched a species-specific campaign, Shatavari for Better Health? Answer is Ministry of Ayush. Which Indian cities became the first to be recognized as accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands? Answer is Udaipur and Indore. Where was the first international conference on carbon markets Prakriti 2025 held? Answer is New Delhi. Which country has become the first to criminalize AI generated child sexual abuse material? Answer is United Kingdom. Recently, Ali Ai Ligang festival celebrated in which state? Answer is Assam. Where was the India's first green hydrogen hub project launched? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which six languages was added to the translation services in the Lok Sabha in February 2025? Answer is Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Manipuri, Sanskrit, and Urdu. Where was the Alai Balai festival celebrated? Answer is Hyderabad. Which country has unveiled the world's longest expressway tunnel named Tianjin Shangli Tunnel? Answer is China. Who was awarded the Arjun Lifetime Award in 2025? Answer is Murlikant Petkar. Who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup? Answer is Divya Deshmukh. Runner-up was Koneru Hampi. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Answer is 38th, published by World Intellectual Property Organization, and Switzerland got the first rank. Which rocket launched the Nisar satellite into space? Answer is GSLV F-16. Launch site was Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. What was India's overall rank in the ISSF World Championship Rifle Pistol 2025? Answer is 3rd. India secured the 3rd position with 13 medals, 3 gold, 6 silver and 4 bronze medal. Which state launched India's first tribal focused genome sequencing program? Answer is Gujarat. Which state has been directed by the Supreme Court to declare Saranda Forest as a wildlife sanctuary? Answer is Jharkhand. Which Indian sportsperson was conferred the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. Who won the first ever Blind Women's T20 World Cup in 2025? Answer is India. India defeated Nepal in the final. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Answer is Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Which two Indian texts were added to UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? Answer is Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize 2025? Answer is Masaki Kashiwara. Which state became the first Indian state to implement Uniform Civil Code? Answer is Uttarakhand. Who took charge as the 34th Director General of National Cadet Corps in October 2025? Answer is Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Who set a new national record in the men's 100-meter sprint in July 2025? Answer is Animesh Kujur. Where was the first Khelo India Water Sports Festival 2025 held? Answer is Dal Lake, Srinagar. Who has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner of India? Answer is Gyanesh Kumar. Who became the first ever cricketer to score a 50 and bag 5 wickets in a World Cup knockout game? Answer is Dipti Sharma. What is the new name of Sultanganj railway station? Answer is Ajgaibinath Dham. Who was appointed as the new chairman of Union Public Service Commission in May 2025? Answer is Dr. Ajay Kumar. When is World Heart Day celebrated each year? Answer is 29th September and the theme was Don't Miss a Beat. Where was the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025 held? Answer is Paris, France. Who was awarded the Player of the Series in Under 19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? Answer is Gongadi Trisha. Who inaugurated the first Khelo India Beach Games 2025 held in Ghogla Beach, Diu? Answer is Mansukh Mandviya. Who has been honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability in 2025? Answer is Dalai Lama. Who won the men's 5000 meter and 10,000 meter gold medal at the Asian Athletics Championship 2025? Answer is Gulveer Singh. Where was the Khelo India Para Games 2025 held? Answer is New Delhi, and the mascot was Ujjwala. Which cricketer was awarded the Padma Shri Award in 2025? Answer is Ravichandran Ashwin. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025? Answer is Our Power, Our Planet. World Earth Day celebrated every year on 22nd April. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 2024-25? Answer is Vidarbha. Runner-up was Kerala. How many player has been honored with the Khel Ratna Award in 2025? Answer is 4. Manu Bhakar is associated with shooting. Harmanpreet Singh is associated with hockey. Pramod Kumar is a para-athlete and Gukesh is a chess player. Who has been appointed as the CEO of International Cricket Council? Answer is Sanjog Gupta. How many African sites were removed from the UNESCO World Heritage in Danger List on 9th July 2025? Answer is 3. Rainforest of Atsinanana, Madagascar, Abu Mena, Egypt, and Old Town of Gadamis, Libya. Who won the men's singles title at Wimbledon 2025? Answer is Yannick Sinner. Runner-up was Carlos Alcaraz. Who won the women's singles title at Wimbledon 2025? Answer is Iga Swiatek. Which country was the host of the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Answer is Pakistan and United Arab Emirates. Who organized the 11th India Match Summit 2025 held in New Delhi? Answer is FICCI and IIMR. Where was the Semicon India 2025 organized? Answer is Yashobhumi, New Delhi. What is the name of India's first fully made in India semiconductor chip? Answer is Vikram 32. Who won the main singles title at French Open 2025? Answer is Carlos Alcaraz. And women's singles winner was Coco Gauff. Who won the Hockey Asia Cup 2025 held in Rajgir, Bihar? Answer is India. What is the theme for World Yoga Day 2025 observed on 21st June? Answer is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Where was India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant commissioned on 31st July 2025? Answer is Deen Dayal Port Authority, Kandla, Gujarat. What rank did India achieve in the 2025 Global Firepower Index? Answer is 4th. Where was Global Investor Summit 2025 held? Answer is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. How many Padma Awards have been given in the year 2025? Answer is 139. 7 Padma Vibhushan, 19 Padma Bhushan and 113 Padma Shri. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024? Answer is 96th. Which state government declared 2025 to 2035 as the decade of hydropower? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Answer is K. Sanjay Murthy. Which country hosted the first Coco World Cup 2025? Answer is India. Who assumed charge as the financial advisor of Defense Services in November 2025? Answer is Rajkumar Arora. Where was the Asian Yogasan Sports Championship 2025 held? Answer is New Delhi. India ranked first in the Asian Yogasan Sports Championship 2025 with 83 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze medal. When was National Space Day 2025 observed? Answer is 23rd August and the theme was Aryabhat to Gaganyaan, Ancient Wisdom to Infinite Possibilities. Which state became the first to implement semiconductor policy in India? Answer is Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Answer is Satish Kumar. Which state topped the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Answer is Odisha. It is released by Niti Aayog. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025 held? Answer is Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Theme was Diaspora's Contribution to a Viksit Bharat. Which team topped the medal tally at the Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Answer is Indian Army. Who was honored with the Gates Cambridge Impact Prize in 2025? Answer is Professor Urbasi Sinha. Which PSU has become the 14th Maharatna company? Answer is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held in April? Answer is Bangkok, Thailand, and the theme was Prosperous, Resilient, and Open. Where is Udva Lake located, which has been added to Ramsar site list in February 2025? Answer is Jharkhand. Where was the first ever BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 held? Answer is Gandhinagar, Gujarat. What was the theme of the Independence Day 2025? Answer is Naya Bharat. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force? Answer is Sonali Mishra. Which city ranked first in the Super Swachh League category of Swachhata Sarvekchan 2024-25? Answer is Indore. Second was Surat, third was Navi Mumbai and fourth was Vijayawada. India's first hydrogen fuel cell bus launched in which city in June 2025? Answer is Leh, Ladakh. Who is the author of Operation Sindoor, the untold story of India's deep strikes inside Pakistan? Answer is retired Lieutenant General KJS Dillon. Where is India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve located? Answer is Park Bay, Tamil Nadu. Recently, the bilateral naval exercise Konkan 2025 was held between which two countries? Answer is India and United Kingdom. Who won the inaugural Fred Darrington Award in 2025? Answer is Sudarshan Patnaik. Which ministry launched the State Health Regularity Excellence Index? Answer is Ministry of Health. Who was honored with the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2025? Answer is Nitin Gadkari. Who is the author of the book Different Strokes? Answer is A.K. Bhattacharya. Who topped the medal table at the 38th National Games held in Uttarakhand? Answer is Services with 68 gold, 26 silver, 27 bronze medal. Shah Rukh Khan won the Best Actor award at the 71st National Film Awards for his performance in which film? Answer is Jawan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs in 2025? Answer is Vivek Chaturvedi. Where will India's first National Coral Reef Research Institute be established? Answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. India has concluded a 7,995 crore agreement for the Navy's MH-60R Seahawk helicopters support package with which country? Answer is United States. Which city has become the world's most populous city in November 2025? Answer is Jakarta. Where was the 18th Urban Mobility India Conference and Exhibition 2025 organized? Answer is Gurugram, Haryana. Which film won the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Answer is 12th Fail. Who won the Best Actress Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Answer is Rani Mukherjee for her film Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway. Which film won the Best Hindi Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Answer is Kathal. Which country has declared a nationwide state of emergency after Cyclone Ditwa? Answer is Sri Lanka. Where was the World Telecommunication Development Conference 2025 held? Answer is Baku, Azerbaijan. Which Indian ship represented India at Exercise Malabar 2025 held in Guam? Answer is INS Vikrant. Where was the two-day Commanders Conference of the Western Air Command held? Answer is New Delhi. Who was honored as the Global Indian of the Year at CNN News 18's Indian of the Year Award 2025? Answer is Chef Vijay Kumar. Which Indian state has introduced a monthly support initiative for class 10th students? Answer is Assam. Which metro system has been recognized by the Guinness World Record as the world's longest fully driverless metro? Answer is Riyadh Metro. Which country has introduced the Michelangelo Dome Defense System? Answer is Italy. Where was the 60th All India DGP IGP conference held? Answer is Nawa Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Who launched the Easy Registry initiative in Punjab? Answer is Bhagwant Mann. Who inaugurated Skyroot Aerospace Infinity Campus in Hyderabad? Answer is Narendra Modi. Where was the third India-Indonesia Defense Ministers Dialogue held? Answer is New Delhi. Who became the youngest FIDE World Cup champion in 2025? Answer is Javokhir Sindaro. Which young Indian athlete won a bronze medal at the World Professional Jiu-Jitsu Championship? Answer is Giovanna De Sicura. Where was the FIDE World Cup 2025 held? Answer is Goa. Which Indian cricketer has regained the top position in the ICC ODI batting rankings in November 2025? Answer is Rohit Sharma. The 13th edition of the Joint Military Exercise AccuVariant 2025 held between India and which country? Answer is Maldives. Who was sworn in as the 9th Director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Answer is Kash Patel. Where did the 37th Kathak Mahotsav take place in 2025? Answer is New Delhi. Which country built the world's first 3D printed train station? Answer is Japan. Who was honored with the Legends of Endoscopy Award in Tokyo in April 2025? Answer is Dr. D. Nageshwar Reddy. Who was honored with the National Maritime Varuna Award in 2025? Answer is Captain Rajesh Unni. Who has been named in Time Magazine's Woman of the Year 2025? Answer is Purnima Devi Burman. Where has Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the setting up of Makhana Board? Answer is Bihar. Where was the third edition of SourceX India 2025 held? Answer is New Delhi. The book The Emergency Diaries, Years That Forged a Leader, based on which politician? Answer is Narendra Modi. Which authority has recently launched Operation Swarn to revive Swarnamukhi River? Answer is Tirupati Urban Development Authority. Who won the SAFF Under-19 Championship 2025? Answer is India. Who became the youngest world chess champion? Answer is Gukesh Domaraju. Where was the first Indian Institute of Creative Technology established? Answer is Mumbai. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in April 2025? Answer is Dr. Poonam Gupta. Who led the national commemorations for the 350th martyrdom anniversary of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur? Answer is Narendra Modi. When is World Wide Web Day 2025 celebrated? Answer is 1st August, and the theme was Empowering the Future, Building an Inclusive, Safe and Open Web. What is India's global rank in the clean industry pipeline? Answer is third. Where was INS Ikshak commissioned by the Indian Navy on 6 November 2025? Answer is Naval Base Kochi. When is National Cancer Awareness Day observed every year? Answer is 7th November, and the theme was United by Unique. Which Indian state has become the first to grant 12 days of paid menstrual leave annually for women employees across government and private sectors? Answer is Karnataka. Which Indian bank recently became the first to cross both $100 billion in market capitalization and 100 trillion rupees in total business? Answer is State Bank of India. When is World Radiography Day observed? Answer is 8 November, and the theme was Radiographers Seeing the Unseen. Which city was ranked Asia's happiest city in 2025 according to a Time Out survey? Answer is Mumbai. When is National Legal Services Day observed in India? Answer is 9th November. What is the theme of World Science Day 2025 observed on 10th November? Answer is Unleash Your Inner Scientist. Cambodia adopted the Hargila Army Conservation model of which Indian state for biodiversity conservation? Answer is Assam. Which city hosted the Asia Rugby Under 20 Championship 2025 in August 2025? Answer is Rajgir, Bihar. Who became the first Indian CEO of Jaguar Land Rover in August 2025? Answer is PB Balaji. Who won the Formula One Hungarian Grand Prix 2025? Answer is Lando Norris. Which became the first private railway station of Uttar Pradesh in August 2025? Answer is Gomti Nagar Railway Station. Which state has lifted ban on traditional sports like bullock cart racing, dog racing, horse racing, and pigeon racing in August 2025? Answer is Punjab. Where was the 15th Indian Organ Donation Day ceremony held in August 2025? Answer is Dr. Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi. What is the title of the missile drill recently launched by Iran in August 2025? Answer is Sustainable Power 1404. Who has been appointed as the new Commissioner of Delhi Police? Answer is Satish Golcha. Which two Indian states have signed an MOU for the Yamuna Water Pipeline Project? Answer is Haryana and Rajasthan. What is the name of the AI powered tool launched by the government to generate minutes from the Gram Sabha recordings? Answer is Sabhasar. Which Indian city hosted the Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2025 in August? Answer is Ahmedabad. Which airport has launched an AI powered passenger corridor for faster immigration clearance? Answer is Dubai International Airport. Indian government outlined its roadmap for 6G technology rollout on 21st August 2025. What is the target year for the rollout of 6G technology in India? Answer is 2030. Which company secured the top position in the Top Brand 2025 Top 500 Global Brands list unveiled at the 19th China Brand Festival in Shenzhen? Answer is Microsoft. Who chaired the Union Cabinet that approved the National Sports Policy 2025? Answer is Narendra Modi. Which company received the unified license to offer satellite based internet services in India in July 2025? Answer is Starlink. Who won the Player of the Match of Women's ODI World Cup Final 2025? Answer is Shafali Verma. Which country became the first to release genome edited rice varieties? Answer is India. What is the name of the mission launched by PM Narendra Modi in July 2025 to digitize ancient manuscripts? Answer is Gyan Bharatam Mission. Who has been awarded the UN Population Award 2025 for work in gender equality and social justice? Answer is Varsha Deshpande. As per the Henley Passport Index October 2025 edition, what is India's global passport ranking? Answer is 85th. Which country was the first to launch the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library? Answer is India. Who is the author of the book 10 Paise Ka Postcard released on 10th July 2025? Answer is S.N. Ahmed. Where was the Indian Army's Prachand Shakti tech demonstration held? Answer is Khadga Corps Field Training Area, Meerut. Where was the ASEAN India Cruise Dialogue held? Answer is Chennai, India. What is the new name of Mumbai's Karnik Bridge after its reconstruction in 2025? Answer is Sindoor Bridge. How many gold medals did India win at the 66th International Mathematical Olympiad held in July 2025? Answer is 3. Who launched the Sanchar Sathi mobile app? Answer is Jyotiraditya Scindia. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Answer is Ajay Seth. Who was appointed Governor of Haryana on 14th July 2025? Answer is Professor Ashim Kumar Ghosh. Chelsea defeated which team in the final of FIFA Club World Cup 2025 to win their first title? Answer is Paris Saint-Germain. Who became India's second longest serving Prime Minister in consecutive terms? Answer is PM Narendra Modi. Who was conferred Brazil's highest civilian award, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross on 8th July 2025? Answer is PM Narendra Modi. Who was appointed as the Secretary of the Department of Revenue under the Ministry of Finance? Answer is Arvind Kumar Shrivastava. The Priya Vihar temple, recently in news due to clashes in July 2025, is the subject of a territorial dispute between which two countries? Answer is Thailand and Cambodia. Who was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Lithuania in August 2025? Answer is Inga Rugiin. Where did Indian Railways test its first hydrogen-powered train coach in July 2025? Answer is Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. Who unveiled the National Cooperation Policy 2025 in New Delhi in July? Answer is Amit Shah. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Ukraine? Answer is Yulia Sviridenko. Which city was declared the cleanest city in India in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2024-25 among those with a population over 10 lakh? Answer is Ahmedabad. Who has been appointed as the Director Engineering and R&D at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? Answer is Ajay Shrivastava. Who launched the Aditi scheme under the Ministry of Power? Answer is Manohar Lal Khattar. He is the current Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Who became the first Indian to win the Polygrass Magic Skill Award in the 2024-25 FIH Hockey Pro League? Answer is Deepika Sehrawat. Which institute launched the Gyanoday Center for Pedagogical Innovation and Publishing? Answer is IIM Kozhikode. AI Appreciation Day celebrated in India on which date? Answer is 16th July. Nelson Mandela International Day is observed on which date? Answer is 18th July. And the theme was It's Still in Our Hands to Combat Poverty and Inequality. Who has been selected for the 59th Gyanpith Award? Answer is Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who became the first Indian to reach the International Space Station? Answer is Subhanshu Shukla. Who became the first Indian woman blind climber to scale Mount Everest, and where does she hail from? Answer is Chonjin Engmo, Himachal Pradesh. What is IIT Delhi's rank in the QS World University Rankings 2026? Answer is 123rd. Which state topped the bird species count in the Great Backyard Bird Count? Answer is West Bengal. Who did Chanel appoint as its first Indian brand ambassador? Answer is Ananya Pandey. Where will India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone be established? Answer is Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Which of Cambodia's sites were added to the UNESCO Heritage List for their historical significance in July 2025? Answer is Khmer Rouge torture sites. Which country will host the Quad Leaders Summit in 2025? Answer is India. Which two countries conducted the bilateral naval exercise Varuna 2025? Answer is India and France. Who designed and built INS Nistar, India's first indigenous diving support vessel? Answer is Hindustan Shipyard Limited. Which Indian city ranked 6th globally in under construction data center capacity in 2025? Answer is Mumbai. Where was 56th International Film Festival of India 2025 held? Answer is Goa. What is the name of Namibia's highest civilian award received by PM Narendra Modi in 2025? Answer is the Order of the Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis. When is International Tiger Day celebrated? Answer is 29th July. What is the theme for World Brain Health Day 2025? Answer is Brain Health for All Ages. And World Brain Health Day observed every year on 22nd July. Which institution will set up India's first AI Plus campus in Amaravati? Answer is BITS Pilani. When was the Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana approved by the Union Cabinet? Answer is 16th July 2025. Which state launched the India's first Aadhaar-based face authentication system for ration distribution under Public Distribution System? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which police station became the first in India to receive the ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System certification from BIS? Answer is Arthunkal Police Station, Alappuja. What is the name of the women exclusive wellness space inaugurated in July 2025? Answer is Mahila Arogyam Kaksh, launched by the Department of Legal Affairs. What is the name of the operation launched by Indian security forces in the Dara region of Jammu and Kashmir in 2025? Answer is Operation Mahadev. Where was Ladakh's first Astro Tourism Festival held? Answer is Leh. Which festival has the Maharashtra government officially declared as a state festival? Answer is Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav. Where was the Behde Khalam festival celebrated in July 2025? Answer is Jowai, Meghalaya. Who launched the Rail One mobile application in July 2025? Answer is Ashwani Vaishnav. The Adi Thiruvathirai festival celebrated in Gangaikonda, Cholaipuram in July 2025 marks the birth anniversary of which emperor? Answer is Rajendra Chol I. Which country became the first to officially recognize the Taliban government in Afghanistan? Answer is Russia. Who was appointed as the Chief Operating Officer of Apple in July 2025? Answer is Sabih Khan. Which country became the 8th globally and the first in the Caribbean to adopt UPI for Indian travelers? Answer is Trinidad and Tobago. Who has been appointed as the CEO and Managing Director of Hindustan Unilever Limited? Answer is Sanjeev Mehta. What is the name of Turkey's most powerful non-nuclear bomb unveiled in 2025? Answer is Gazap. Where was the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2025 held? Answer is Shanghai, China. Which bank has been awarded the title of World's Best Consumer Bank for 2025 by Global Finance magazine? Answer is State Bank of India. Who was honored at the Foundation of Future ceremony in New York for his spiritual and community leadership? Answer is Radhanath Swami. Where was the Global Conference on Manuscript Heritage 2025 held? Answer is Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Who was reappointed as the chairman of CBDT? Answer is Ravi Agrawal. Pushpati Ashok Gajpati Raju has been appointed as governor of which state in 2025? Answer is Goa. Who was appointed as MD and CEO of Life Insurance Corporation of India in 2025? Answer is R. Doraiswamy. Who succeeded Brigadier B.D. Mishra as Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh in July 2025? Answer is Kavinder Gupta. Who won the Pen Printer Prize 2025 for her contribution to literature? Answer is Leela Abulela. Who won the Player of the Series at the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Answer is Rachindra Ravindra. Bongo Sagar naval exercise has been conducted in between India and which country? Answer is Bangladesh. Where was the first World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025 held? Answer is Mumbai. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Answer is Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman? Answer is Suryabala. For her novel कौन देश को वासी वेणु की डायरी. Where is India's first quantum computing village being established? Answer is Amravati. Which fintech company became India's first unicorn of 2025? Answer is JustPay. Who has been honored with the 34th Saraswati Samman? Answer is Sadhu Bhadresh Das for his Sanskrit book Swaminarayan Siddhant Sudha. How many unicorns does India have according to the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025? Answer is 64. Who has been appointed as the new Executive Director of Reserve Bank of India in July 2025? Answer is Keshwan Ramchandran. What is the name of the exercise conducted at Chennai port between Indian and Japanese Coast Guard? Answer is Jamata. World Day for International Justice is observed on which date? Answer is 17th July. What was the theme for National Doctors Day 2025 observed on 1st July? Answer is Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers. Who won the Super United Rapid and Blitz 2025 in Zagreb, Croatia? Answer is Magnus Carlsen. Who is the author of Confessions of a Shakespeare Addict launched on 7th July 2025? Answer is B.S. Ravi. Which country developed the air defense system S-400? Answer is Russia. Where was Khelo India Youth Games 2025 held? Answer is Rajgir, Bihar. Maharashtra topped the medal table with 158 medals. Which city has been declared India's first beggar-free city? Answer is Indore. Which country became the 10th full member of the BRICS group in January 2025? Answer is Indonesia. Which film won the Best Film Award at the IFA Awards 2025? Answer is Lapata Ladies. Who has been appointed as the Private Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Answer is Nidhi Tiwari. What was India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Answer is 102nd. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Space Research Organization? Answer is V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the president of Asian Cricket Council? Answer is Mohsin Naqvi. What is the theme for International Women's Day 2025? Answer is For All Women and Girls, Rights, Equality, Empowerment, and International Women's Day celebrated every year on 8th March. Which team topped the medals table in 38 National Games 2025? Answer is Services Sports Control Board. Which two Indian players announced retirement from Test cricket in May 2025? Answer is Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Who became the fastest Indian player to score a century in IPL? Answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which team won their second consecutive Indian Super League Winner's Shield in 2025? Answer is Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Which Indian state became the first to implement scheduled caste subcategorization? Answer is Telangana. Who became the first India-born cheetah to reach adulthood at Kuno National Park? Answer is Mukhi. So friends, that's all in today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.